Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hello guys, oh my gosh, it feels good to be back. As you can tell by the title for this week's video, I thought I would do something a little different. My name is Priscilla. I'm the owner of Bake Up and I'm also the owner of Bake Up Supply. I am home based, so I run both of these businesses from my apartment. Today is currently Wednesday, it's about 1:30 p.m. and every Wednesday is my bake day. On Wednesdays, I'll bake all the cakes that I'll be needing for that weekend's orders, which I actually already did. This weekend isn't too crazy. I have a total of 5 separate tiers, but in total it's 3 cakes. Then I have an order of sugar cookies, and then for Sunday I have an order of cream puffs. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Obviously it's my first time doing this. I'm a little nervous. Like, I don't know, I just don't know what to expect. But anyway, I'm gonna go downstairs. I have groceries to unpack, and then I'm gonna clean up my workstation, which I'll show you guys my workstation too, or how I have it set up here at the apartment. And then I also have to get started on an order that I have for tomorrow. So that one's due tomorrow morning. So I really need to get on that. And yeah, we're just gonna go down to the kitchen now and get started. So this is the current mess that we're working with. Honestly, it's not too bad. Like, it gets way worse than this. But I'm gonna unload my groceries or unpack my grocery and then clean up this. So this is also my workstation. This is how it's set up. And this is supposed to be the dining room area, but we just have it set up for my work. So I'm cutting these at 2 inches. I set the height over here. It has all of these that you can do.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need.
And then these are going to get wrapped up in plastic and then they'll be put into the fridge. It's currently 2:45. I have tomorrow's cake crumb coated. I couldn't finish leveling the rest of the cakes and wrapping them because I ran out of plastic wrap. I'm gonna eat right now. My legs are killing me, which I don't know why. Like, I can usually go all day like standing and be fine. I think it's because last weekend was intense. Like, oh my gosh, last weekend was intense. I had so much work, like so many big orders. I could use a nap right now. I could use such a nice nap right now. But I have to get up. I have to start packing orders for Bake Up Supply because I have to take those to the post office by 5. This is the thing about working from home, because it's like you're working on your own time. Sometimes it's a little hard to get yourself to like get up and do everything that you have to do, but it must be done. Honestly, I might take like a 10-minute nap. Like, just 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. 10 minutes. No, I shouldn't. So, hey guys, so I'm back in my Bake Up Supply room. I am going to fulfill these orders, which I'm just going to time-lapse it because I don't want to have to worry about like covering the addresses and being super careful. It's 3:30. I want to be done with this by like 4:30, just so I can run to the post office and then work on that cake. I also need to run to Walmart to get more plastic wrap. It's currently a little after 9 a.m. I just woke up, so don't mind all of this. I need to get to work because the unicorn cake that I was working on yesterday is due 10:30 to 11. So I want to have it ready at least by 10, just because I like the cakes to sit in the fridge so that the cakes are completely firm and chilled during the dry pulp. Okay, so this is how the fridge looks. This is the unicorn cake. It's going to be the unicorn cake. I just have every cake wrapped. For a little update, I filled all of my cakes already. It's only 5 of them. 3 of them were just buttercream, so the ones that are just buttercream are always the easiest. And then the other 2 have strawberries and cream. I'm gonna have lunch real quick and then get back to work. So after I eat, I'm going to package the orders that came in yesterday. I'm gonna crumb cut the cakes and then I'm gonna start coloring all my royal icing for the cookie. I'll check back in once I'm done eating it in the office. We got the popsicle sticks all packaged up. By the way, this machine, so it's called a Glowforge. This is what I engrave the popsicle sticks on. So what I do is I buy the popsicle sticks and then I just put them in here and engrave them. If you're interested in one of these machines, I actually have it's like a referral link. Anyone who buys it, they get that link. Basically what it is, if you go through my link, you can save up to $500 on one of these machines. And then I get credit from them for the referral. So yeah. It's currently Friday morning, and I just want to show you guys where I left off. So this is where the cookies are at. I still need to make a few more colors, and then as far as the cakes go, they're all crumb coated. I'm gonna give them a second coat right now, and then I will start working on the cookies again.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So go now, and what you do, that's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
It's a little bit before 8 a.m. Saturday. This is where I'm at. I'm gonna start on this one right now, the woody one, because that one is due first. It's not due till 12:30, so I have a little time, but I do want to get on it because it has a lot of details. And then these 3 get stacked, and then that one is for tomorrow. Key update.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode of replay. Sit right next to you.
Delivered that pink cake that I time-lapsed, and now we're on our way to find fruit because I'm hungry, and then to the Lakers store. So after the Lakers store, we stopped by a food truck to pick up dinner. We just ate in the car, and then when I got back home, I didn't record any of it, but I started working on tomorrow's cake. I worked on it for a good 2-3 hours, and then I just called it a night. Good morning. It's currently Sunday at 9 a.m. So today we are going to finish up the dinosaur cake. That one is due at 2. And then I have to make cream puffs. And the cream puffs are due between 3 and 4. So I'm gonna just go finish up the dinosaur cake right now. Okay guys, so here's an update on the dinosaur cake. Then I have a topper. It's another dinosaur, and then there's a number 3 that are gonna go on top as well.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher grandma rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from
Monday was my day off. I spent the day with a friend. We grabbed lunch, got some ice cream, and then by the time I got home, it was already evening.
you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away.
Post office, dropped off the orders that I packed up earlier. I stopped by my mom's, picked up some shipping boxes, just hung out at my mom's for a bit, and then I went to the grocery store. I want to try, and I'm saying try, to make enchiladas. So I've never made them before. I've watched my grandma make them, but I've never actually made them, so I'm gonna give that a try. I'm gonna follow Cooking con Claudia's recipe. Like, I don't think the recipe will be bad. I think if anything, I might do a bad job. For now, I'm just gonna make these popsicle sticks and then unpack my groceries. I made my chicken already. I shredded some of it up. I'm trying to make rice. Actually burnt the crap out of it. I don't think that's the right cheese. Basically, I won't be making enchiladas again. Okay, look. First of all, the tortillas that I had were room temperature. I think they're supposed to be cold. The tortillas were very soft. Once I dipped them in the salsa, they didn't keep their shape. So I blame the tortillas. So I just wanted to close out this video real quick. I'm gonna end the vlog now. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, let me know. Let me know so I can do this again. Just thank you so much for being here.